Good morning, everyone. I'm Som Doji from Group 9. My friends Krishna Prasad Sharma, Pileje, and I carried out the project titled Travel Agency Booking System for our final year project. Throughout our project, we were guided by Mr. Ishimachu. If I give an overview of our presentation, we have the background of our project, the problem statement, aim, objectives, the system overview, future work, and the demo. If I give a brief background of the project, tourism is a thriving industry all over the world, including Bhutan. Tourism creates job opportunities, it boosts the economy of a country, it develops the infrastructure within the country, and it also plants a sense of cultural exchange. Particularly in Bhutan, there has been an increasing number of tourists and travel agencies every year. In recent years, our government formulated a policy whereby tourists who visit Bhutan need to register with verified travel agencies under the Tourism Council of Bhutan. With the formulation of this policy, the role of travel agencies became important. To give a brief problem statement of our project, to give a current scenario of current booking procedure, the current existing booking system is very time consuming since it involves exchange of numerous emails. A tourist who is opting to visit Bhutan and has no prior information about the country has to visit the websites of Tourism Council Bhutan and the travel agencies, and they mostly contact through the emails. The exchange of emails is time consuming, and usually the confirmation of a booking takes up to a week. And sometimes they cannot find a preferred travel agency. For the travel agents, they do not have a common platform to market their agencies. The most popular marketing strategy currently is the word of mouth, which is only beneficial to the big companies. The aim of our project is to develop a web-based travel agency booking system for convenient booking procedure, and the objectives to identify the working of the present booking system, to compare the current booking system in Bhutan with the international systems, to design a prototype based on the requirements using Adobe XD, to design the user interface, architecture, and details of the system, to implement and code the design using Laravel, to perform testing, and finally to write the documentation of the project. System overview. I will give a brief overview of the system, but it will be clearer when my friend Krishna Sharma gives the demo. To give a brief system overview, the travel agencies, they need to register to the system. They need to log in using their email. They will get individual portal to update their profile, profile and agency information. Users are the tourists who opt to visit Bhutan. They also need to register to the system. They will also get individual portal to see the status of the booking, and they have the additional features. They can make use of the search filter, make reservation, and the rate travel agency options. During our OJT period, we contacted with the Tourism Council of Bhutan to get a clear understanding of the requirements. And something which was not in the scope of the project, and they gave us a suggestion, was the integration of the online payment and the chat feature, which we have included in our future work. And finally, the demo, which will be shown by my friend Krishna.
This is how our homepage looks like. So first of all, let's log in as super admin. Super admin, travel agent, and tourists can log in from same page. Information that a super admin can see are registered travel agency in system. All the booking requests made by tourists to the travel agents, registered tourists in the system. The main feature, the super admin has is to update the minimum daily package for tourists. Minimum daily package keeps on changing based on the season. In peak season, it goes up to 100 and 200. In the summer season, it goes up to 250 and 150. Let's change to 100 and 200. So now let's register a travel agency. Travel agency has to register by themselves. They have to provide a license number, valid email address, password. So the license number and name should match with the ones in the database. If it doesn't match, it will show an exception. So once the travel agency is registered, the email address, they will receive an email saying that the travel agency is registered. Let's log in with the new credentials and the new. Logging in, the travel agency have to verify the email. The dummy email address like abc@gmail.com will not work. This is the information that the travel agency need to update. They can update the logo. They can change the password. And these are the informations that I have already updated to save time. The main information is like payment receiver's name. The payment receiver's name is for tourists to send the payment in the name of particular name. Agency description, tour packages and services, description and hotel associated with travel agency, tour guide information and description of tour guide information. This is the dashboard travel agent gets after updating the information. If the travel agent doesn't update the information, this particular travel agent will not be visible to the tourists. After adding the details, they can also update and change the details later on. Let's log out and register our tourists. We have integrated a Google reCAPTCHA in our system to avoid bot attacks. If it doesn't check and register, the system will throw an exception. It's a similar process with the travel agency. User needs to verify the email address. After verifying the email address, we will be registered in the system. Similarly, with travel agent, we can update the profile picture and change the password. The main feature the tourist has is write a blog about to make it convincing for future tourists to visit Bhutan. Blog posted successfully. Now let's find a travel agency based on the choice. If you want to do hiking in Bhutan, you can apply filter. And these are the travel agents which provide hiking services. If you want to do rafting and you are regional tourist and coming in group, you can apply filter, and this is the perfect travel agency for you. You can also search by using email address, name, phone number. Let's view the details of travel agency. As these are the details as provided earlier by the particular travel agency, which can be viewed from client side. We have also integrated Google Map so as to make convincing for tourists to know that the travel agency is legit. We can also provide feedback and reviews for particular travel agency. Right now, the travel agency have got 5 stars, and it is in the top of the list. We can also sort by name, ascending, descending order, and highest and lowest rating. These are the blogs as posted earlier by the tourists. We can read the blogs. Now let's book the travel agency. We have to provide the details of all the travelers that are coming with us, the one which have registered in the system. We have to provide details like name, nationality, and passport. The main reason for asking nationality is to know whether the tourist is from regional or foreign tourists, to apply the specific minimum daily package. India, Maldives, and Bangladesh are regional tourists. So let's skip this. And this is the total cost of their stay in Bhutan. We have shown how the total cost is calculated. We have also asked the tour plan of tourists in Bhutan so as to make necessary arrangement by the travel agent. Once we confirm the booking successful, and travel agent will receive an email saying that the particular person have made a booking worth of particular amount. Once we have made the booking, we have to make the payment to the particular name and upload the payment transcript. After uploading the payment transcript, the travel agent will receive an email saying that they have received a payment and to verify. Let's see from the agency side. The agency will receive this type of notification. They can verify the payment transcript and withdraw the money and check through if it's valid. Let's see the details. They can see the details of all the booking details. Once they have got the payment from bank, they have to provide the payment to Tourism Council of Bhutan to process visa in next 72 hours. If they have made payment to Tourism Council of Bhutan, they can check this button. Once they have checked the button, the visa status will be updated prior to the 72 hours after making payment. After that, tourists will receive an email saying that the visa will be ready in the particular date. Once the visa is ready, they can travel agent can upload the visa from the portal. This is the visa, and in the tourist side, they will receive an email saying that their visa is ready, and they can from the tourist side they can log in and see their visa that has been uploaded by the particular travel agency. This is the passport, and these are the visa. You can download, print, anything you want, and show the visa wherever necessary while visiting Bhutan. And that's all from our side. Thank you.